Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading the threads and spools. Start with 2 needle threads and 2 looper cones. This machine uses 4 threads for a standard 2-needle cover stitch. Thread paths must follow color-coded guides so tension and stitch formation are correct. Once done, secure spools with nets and set the presser foot up so threads settle into the tension discs. Make sure the tension discs are open while you feed threads to avoid pulling or twisting as you continue. Now thread the needles and both loopers, following the color-coded guides from cones to thread carriers. You will thread needles using the usual front-to-back path, but loopers require threading from the rear or under the bed depending on model. Use the supplied looper hook to avoid snagging. Once each thread is seated in its guide and through the needle or looper eye, pull about 1 inch of tail through and clip to 1 inch. This prevents jamming and ensures smooth stitch pickup when you begin sewing. Finish by re-engaging tension discs and setting all tensions to a mid-range starting point. This gives you a neutral baseline to fine-tune. You then run a test on scrap fabric at sewing speed, watching the top cover and underside loops for evenness. If one side pulls or loops, lower that thread tension slightly or rethread that path. Often a missed guide or lint in the discs causes issues. As a troubleshooting tip, always rethread and clean tension discs before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.